So it will become easy.
Yes.
Ease okay, the instant ease and okay, it's come easy. So it's means
And that's life, really.
Yeah.
You know, the challenges that comes to us in our life is to make our life easy. And sometimes what we do, what I used to do.
Personal experience and what in the work experience also was there. There's questions that is missing.
Yes.
That is also and at the end, as a team, how we want to solve this puzzle also. So this is learning experience for me.
Awesome. Thank you.
Like different teams and different people. So then later on,
We're still different people.
yeah, like different teams.
Yeah.
So later on, when we started interacting, we had group discussions, and we puzzle with the team. And in the end, we made that pictures. So throughout the day, like we changed. So we become a team at the end of the day. So that was very interesting.
Good.
Yeah. Anyway, the most interesting part of the learning process I took from this enterprise was about the learner's judgment, the learner's mindset,
Yes.
and the judgmental guy when we had the two parts that somebody had to take. I found the more questions you might ask yourself, the more doubts and maybe regrets you might put on your mind, which will affect the outlook of whatever you do. Positivity for the learner was a good path that he took all the way, and despite having some few hurdles here and there, mindset is everything for me.
See, sometimes, Bonnie, you said it very well. Sometimes things happen to us in life, right?
But by the end of the day, now those colleagues, I can call them as friends.
Yes.
And the second part is when we played the last puzzle. At that time, it showed we were one team, and we can be a deadly force to our competitors.
Absolutely.
Single step, learning that everything is valuable. Every person is valuable. As you were saying about that receptionist calling and saying that this person is not well for this company. And the company accepted that. Reception was saying a correct thing, and they took an action.
Following the T shape, very simple,
Yeah.
but it was for excruciating sorts of.
Yeah, you need to think out of the box a bit.
Yeah.
Because we're always, you know.
The strengths of the people with that active and thoughtful split,
Yes.
and further splitting into influencer, dominant, and
Steadiness.
consciousness and steadiness. And not only that, we also mentioned that people can move around all these.
Yes.
So that is one important thing. Like, you might be an influencer at 3%. You can move to any of these, and you can.
I didn't know that our company is so big group. Now only came to know. So thanks for it. Regarding experience topic, almost everybody has discussed about
Yes.
this, so nothing left for me to
I
discuss.
can tell.
But still, I talk about the mindset, because that is very important. At what point of stage you are, you lose a deal or whatever you are going to negotiate, your mindset is very important. And apart from that, from the sales point of view, you should identify a business customer and identify the right.
Activity with the pictures. It shows that it is an experiment how it is easy, if it is a teamwork, we can solve the problem and achieve the goal. I like that one.
Awesome.
Yes, one here. On this opening and this opening.